In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website in WP Engine as we step into the year 25. Starting off, the first thing you need to do is log into your WP Engine account. Begin by navigating to the WP Engine login page at my.wpengine.com. Once there, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a new site. Look for the Add Site button and click on it. You'll then be offered the option to create a new site. Go ahead and select that. Next, you'll need to enter a name for your site. Make sure it's something relevant and memorable, because this will be part of your site's identity moving forward. Once you've typed in the name, simply click Create Site. Now let's add an environment. Click the button for Add Environment and choose Production. WP Engine makes this easy, as it will automatically handle the WordPress installation for you. This is perfect because it saves you time so you can focus on building your site rather than getting bogged down in technical details. With WordPress installed, it's time to access your WordPress dashboard. Find the environment name and click on it, then click on WP Admin. This will take you directly into your WordPress dashboard where you can start shaping your website. Next, let's move on to designing your website. Navigate to the Appearance section in your dashboard. Then choose Themes and click on Add New. Here's where you can get creative. Browse through the available themes, and once you find one you like, go ahead and activate it. Choosing the right theme is crucial since it sets the tone of your website, so spend a little time exploring your options. Once your theme is activated, it's time to start building your content. Head over to Pages and select Add New. Here, you can create pages that are essential for your site, such as About Us, Services, or Contact. Feel free to add as many pages as you need to make your site complete. Finally, you'll want to preview your site and go live. Before doing that, take a moment to review everything to ensure it looks good. In WP Engine, there's an option to copy to production when you're ready to publish. Clicking this will make your site live for the world to see. And there you have it. Your website is now live and ready for visitors. Stay tuned for more tutorials if you'd like to further customize or integrate additional functionalities into your WP Engine powered site. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new website.